Okay, now let's have a little walk around the warehouse. Come, please. Here is the logistics center for the United States. In this area, we keep on our hand a permanent inventory of 3,000 items. Each 2 weeks, we have continuous leaves France for the US and arrive at our main distributor in Houston to be distributed after all over the US. In this area, it serves to realize some videos of cooking demos and recipes. It's important to explain each day who can cook on a griddle and why is it so easy to use a lug, of course. Welcome in the studio. Here is for the lug griddle movies. It's like cinema, you know. It's a funny part of our job. Each day we create some recipe, and sometimes we have a famous chef who's coming to explain and to give some cooking lessons. All these items are ready to leave for the end of the week or next week. Griddles, beads, liners, cards, all of our items are ready to leave here, ready to go to your house. And now come to meet the team.